How to insert the audio and video? Nowadays it has become very important to have audio and image, video. We are on HTML5 right now with CSS3, Cascading Style Sheet 3. This is the 5th version. Now, when you want to have an audio and video, we need to have a plugin. You might have seen in your web page that Flash is missing. So you ought to have because this is not, you can say, this is not internal to HTML. You have to plug in, take something out from, make a plugin so that you can take the stuff which is not a part of HTML inside the HTML. For that we use a plugin which is called as embed tag. This embed tag, how to use? This is a container. It will act as a container for the HTML resource which are not. So for non-HTML resources, this HTML tag is going to work. When we embed, this embed element can be used to insert audio. This embed tag we use this defines a container for external or non-HTML content. So this non-HTML content can be, they are objects which are other than the text and graphics used in HTML. They can be sound clips, they can be sound effects, video clips and moving pictures. So how to insert a song at the background of the web page? We used to have, or we will use this kind of, you can say, instructions in your web page. So this is embed, height is this, width is this. This is the source, this is the MP3 file you want to play. Now this is the example, and you have specified the width and size. As you see, this is the width and size, but more basic controls are only there. You want to put more controls. For that, this control and autoplay attribute can be used in audio tag. This autoplay attribute is something when you just open your web page, this song needs to be running in the background, means it should automatically open. For that we use audio, controls and autoplay. This autoplay means it will automatically play. Then we use the embed, height and width and the source, and we end the audio tag. So this code displays an audio player on the corner of the web page. As you see here, this song is going to play automatically the point you open the web page. How to insert the video? In order to make your web page more interactive, you can also insert a video. The video can be in the form of a video clip, or it can be in the form of video movie. So the video file is recognized as .mp4, it can be .avi. These are the extension of the video movie. So if you want to move or put the video movie at certain corner, so you want to place the player in the center of the web page, you can use the center tag. So this is the body. Inside this you have given the center tag, and this is the embed, height and width, and this is the source, movie.mp4. This is for break, line break, and this HR is for horizontal rule. As you see here, this is your video, and this is your horizontal rule, this is your BR. If you want to insert video using control attribute, then this control actually, this is an attribute which will tell you the video controls. This has to be displayed like the play, the pause button. So you can use this code to insert the video movie in the web page, and you can use this control attribute with embed tag. As you see here, this is body. You need to center it, not necessary, you can make it anywhere, but we are talking about this video controls. In this video control we are embedding height is this, width is this, source is this. So now as you can see here, this is the result. Now insert video using preload attribute. So the attribute, it was previously known as the auto buffer. So it was a boolean attribute as the controls, as we have seen. The attribute has none, metadata and auto. None means whenever a video comes to a web page, it may be buffered, it may not be buffered. So none means do not buffer automatically. The video file should not be buffered automatically. Metadata means it only buffers the metadata of video, only the metadata, not the actual content. Then auto means buffer video file before it gets played. So before even you can play, let's buffer it. You can use the code like this. I'm just going to show you. You can use the preload attribute with the embed tag. So here is the thing, body and body. Inside this you have centered it, and you have video controls preload as none. You can do it. There are three options. You can take any of this. Inside you have embed, height and width is this, and source is of course the movie. This is your result now.